Once we restore the next memory, we can leave this snowy area. It's pretty, but it makes it hard to see or keep your balance. Will we be all right? Oh goodness, my poor bum is frozen. Still, that was great fun. Perhaps we'll come back here sometime.
Illuminated by a dim light, sits in a forest of deep snow. Suddenly, a furious knocking batters at the door. The door flies open to reveal an aberration that looks strangely like the girl's father. The knock was but a trick of the wind. The woman presses against her swollen stomach and collapses to the ground. New life is about to be brought into the world. The man is in darkness. Of his family at his fingertips, he slowly closes his eyes.
How strong we are. We cannot live alone. That man's story was so terribly sad. Let's go. We have a final fragment to reclaim.